What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be straying away from the car content and we're just going to be talking about YouTube. A lot of my comments on my videos and DMs on Instagram have to do with YouTube, especially things like how much do I make on a month-to-month basis. I like being super transparent because I know before I got monetized or even before I started my YouTube channel, I used to always want to know the ins and outs of the channels that I would watch, from the small ones to the big ones, especially the small ones, because I would always think, oh, this person has 3,000 subs. I wonder how much they make. Oh, this person has 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. How much do they make? So I like the transparency that some people, especially some of the ones that I watch, have been with their analytics on YouTube. So I'm going to be doing the same thing. Maybe this might motivate you to make a YouTube channel. Maybe this will answer some of the questions that you have being a small channel. So we're going to cover all of that in today's video. So let's hop into it. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so keep in mind, I am no professional on YouTube. I am no YouTube algorithm guru. Like, some people make videos on how to get your videos popular in public, and those are awesome videos to follow if you're looking on how to make your YouTube channel blow up and all these different things. I'm not going to be doing that today. It's going to be my personal experience on YouTube and the monetization side of it. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to know is you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 hours of watch time in a year to be considered a YouTube partner, so you can apply to Google AdSense so you can start putting ads on your videos. So that's the first thing you guys need to know. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a year. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be showing today are my last 2 months of my analytics, so that'll be March and April. I'm also going to be showing my lifetime earnings on YouTube, as well as my highest earning video that I have posted on YouTube. Alright guys, so I'm currently sitting at 4,613 subscribers on YouTube. In March, I made $412.07 on YouTube. You'll see it right here on the screen. So that was for March, which honestly, guys, is huge because that helps me out with bills like my car payment, car insurance, rent, cell phone, car mods that help me make more content for you guys. So making over $400 in a month on YouTube, to me, honestly, is insane, being that this has become like a little side job hustle that I love to do, that I love to be putting out videos for you guys. So that's awesome in its own regard. Now, April has been my highest income month on YouTube to date. I made $505.09 on YouTube. Now, honestly, guys, I don't even know what to say. That's mind-blowing that I made over $500 on YouTube last month. Currently, we're in May. Obviously, the month is not over yet, which is why I'm not going to be posting those analytics in this video. But the fact that I made over $500 in April, honestly, is amazing. That helps me out so much in so many different ways. You guys have no idea. Now, like I said before, I don't know if between $400 and $500 is what you guys were expecting. I don't know if some of you thought I was making a lot less. Maybe some of you guys were thinking I was making a lot more. But that's around where I've been, between the $400 and $500 mark every month, and it's been pretty consistent, which is awesome because I can count on that money every month from YouTube, which for me is fantastic. And another thing I wanted to say is that there could be channels that are smaller than me out there that are making more money than me, and there could be channels that are bigger than me out there that could be making less than I do. Remember, this video is my personal experience on YouTube, and what I'm making, by no means am I a professional. So again, you might have a smaller channel and might be thinking, hey, I make more than this guy. How come this guy has more subs and makes less? Or somebody that has double, triple the subs that I have and they're making less than I am, and they're saying, how is this guy with less subs making more? So I know there's a lot more into it when it comes to the YouTube algorithm, and it's a little confusing, but like I said, that's where I am right now, making somewhere between $400 and $500 a month. So my highest income from any video on my YouTube channel is my top 5 best Mini Cooper hidden features, things you didn't know about your Mini Cooper. That's going to be on the screen right here. Now, that video currently has 86,936 views, 185 comments, 1,113 likes, and 43 dislikes. So this is my, like I said, highest income video that I've ever posted to YouTube, and that video lifetime has earned me, here we go, $759.40. So that one video has made about $760, which to me is absolutely ridiculous. And to be honest, that was probably my favorite video to make, just because it was cool to share like different things that people didn't know about a car that they owned. And I have a lot of comments on there saying like, oh, I didn't know about this, thanks. Oh, I didn't know about the lights. Oh, I didn't know about the glove box. I didn't know about that special way that you could start the car without the key. All those different things, which is really cool because I'm interacting with you guys, and in the process, it's helping me out, and I'm helping you guys out. So in that regard, it's awesome. And that video recently has been doing even better for me, because a couple of months ago, I would say that video was probably getting about like 300 to 400 views a day, somewhere around there. And right now, that video is averaging every day like 900 to 1200 views a day. So that video has been doing super well in the past month or two, which is why it kind of does reflect why March and April were super high and why May is on the same pace, because that video has been really carrying my channel, along with a couple other ones. But like I said, I just wanted to show you guys my highest earning income video. So the last thing I'm going to be showing on my analytical stuff here on YouTube is my lifetime earnings. And I'm sure that's something that most of you guys want to know about. I got monetized back in the summer of 2018. So I've been monetized for about 2.5 years, almost 3 years now. And let me pull that up. So I've made, since being monetized, and again, I don't know if you're thinking it's more or less, but I've made $4,460.69 on YouTube so far. Which, the fact that I've made $4,400 is incredible. Honestly, there's so many things I've been able to do with that. And if you're making that much money on your end, you know as well as I do, that could be used for so many different things. You could use that for school if you're going to school. That could be a down payment for a car. You can add that amount to a down payment to buy a house. There's a lot of things you could do with $4,400. Like, that's a lot of money, at least to me. Maybe not to some people out there, but to me, $4,400 is a ton of money. And the fact that I've been able to make that much on just making videos like this for you guys and things that you enjoy, me helping other people out, the fact that I'm getting rewarded for trying to help people and showing like install videos and all of that stuff, honestly, is a great feeling. Now, I just want to reiterate that this is just my personal channel. Again, you may be making more, you may be making less. It all depends. I know there's a lot of different things with the algorithm, like likes, clicks on your video, watch time, how many ads you're putting in. There's a whole lot of things that go into how much money you make. So again, you may have a smaller channel and make more. You may have a bigger channel and make less. It all depends. This is just my stuff. So I don't want people to be, freaking out or thinking, oh my God, like, how do I have 10,000 subs and I'm only making $100 or $200 a month? Or somebody thinking, oh, I only have 1,500 subs. How am I making $800 a month? And this guy who has triple, quadruple the subs that I do is making half of what I'm making. It all depends. So I'm going to be getting away from the money aspect on YouTube. I know that's probably what most people were interested in. And honestly, me as well, when I'm watching a YouTuber, I'm always wondering, oh, how much do they make? Especially like a smaller channel. Some of the smaller channels that I watch, I always think, oh, I wonder how much this guy, is bringing in, things like that. And I'm pretty sure all of us think it. So hopefully this will give you a good reference of that. And I'm going to be moving into another question that I've been getting a lot is, should I start a YouTube channel? Now, getting into the next topic, I know the whole monetization and how much money I make was going to be the most frequently asked question that people wanted to know. But another thing that I get a lot is, should I start a YouTube channel? And to be honest, that all depends. Because if you're starting a channel just to try and make money, to try and blow up and become this huge personality on YouTube, it's probably not going to happen because you don't have the right intentions. To try and do well on YouTube, to get your content out there, to monetize it and all that stuff, you need to be motivated, and you need to do it because you want to, because it's something that you're passionate about, and it's something that you want to create like a community and have a platform to have a specific topic be put out there. Because if your sole intention is just to make money, it's not going to go well for you. If you just go on YouTube to try and make money, people are going to see that in your videos. They're going to tell that you're not passionate about what you're doing or talking about. They're going to know that you're not really motivated, or you're just putting out content there just to put stuff out there, just to fill in, and people are not going to watch your stuff. But if you're doing the best job that you can, you're making the best content that you possibly can think of, you're using, pretty decent equipment so that the quality of your videos are good, it's going to catch people's attention, and that's the way you're going to get your content out there for more people to see. More people are going to recommend your videos, and that's how you start to grow on YouTube slowly. And I guess for me, that's kind of what happened, because I did a lot of driving and install videos when I first started YouTube with my Mini, and that's what happened. A lot of people were recommending my videos because at that time, a couple of years ago, there wasn't a lot of people doing that kind of content. So a lot of my videos would pop up when I would post them, and people would share them because in a way that was the only Mini stuff that was available at the time, So it helped other people out, and that's how my channel started to slowly grow, which helped me get monetized. Now, as you guys may know, I'm a huge car guy, so doing car content is a passion of mine. I really like to post videos on YouTube, and I like to attribute my small little success on YouTube to my passion of cars. And the reason why I started my own personal channel was because I saw other people doing it, and I saw people enjoying themselves, hanging out with friends, and doing all these things that I did on a regular basis, but pretty much just didn't film. So I thought to myself, hey, if this person can do it and that person can do it, and they're having a great time on camera and they're doing installs and car stuff, this is what I do on a regular basis. Why can't I do it? So at that time, I had picked up an older GoPro. I think it was like a GoPro Hero 4 or something, and I would just post some driving videos, and I would post a couple of little installs here and there, hoping that a lot of people would watch it, hoping that they would get out there, and sooner or later they did. And now I have a lot of videos that have 60, 70, 80,000 views. I have another video that has over 100,000 views. And honestly, it's been fun. It's great. I love doing it. The best advice I have for you guys, like I mentioned before in the previous segment of the video, is just do something you're passionate about. Do something that you truly enjoy, and join YouTube and create a channel for the right reasons. Do it because you want to. Do it because you care about what you're talking about. Do it because it's content that you want other people to see and you want to interact with people. The one thing that I really strive to do when I post videos is interact with as many of the people that comment, because to me, keeping that relationship and that communication is key on YouTube. And I have a couple of subscribers of mine that comment on almost every single one of my videos, really nice things, and I always like to interact back and forth. If you look at all of my videos, I try and answer everything. I would say out of all the videos that I've posted, like 130 of them now, I would say 95% of the comments are answered. Sometimes it's impossible to answer all of them if they comment on an old video or something like that, but I really strive to try and answer every comment that I can. And I think that also has helped my channel grow in a sense, because it creates a small little community of people that are supporting me. So to close out this video, just to recap, I am monetized on YouTube. I make somewhere between $400 and $500 a month recently, with a lifetime amount of $4,400, 4,600 subscribers, and all that good stuff. Now, honestly, I'm so grateful for every single one of you that are subbed to my channel, and I hope to continue to grow this community and to continue putting out the content that you guys enjoy. I have a lot of videos coming up. I have some parts sitting right behind me on the floor right here that need to get installed on my S3. I have a track video that's going to be coming soon. I have to get to the track so I can make that for you guys, but it will be coming in the next week or two once I get down to the track so I can do some quarter-mile runs in my car. Again, guys, please, if you're going to start a YouTube channel, do it for the right reasons. And if you have a small YouTube channel and you're not monetized yet, don't give up. Make sure you're creating the correct content. Make sure you're putting your all into it. Make sure you're doing the right things and taking the right steps to try and be successful on YouTube, because I feel that YouTube is a platform where anybody can become successful if you really put your heart and mind to it. And I truly firmly believe that, because when I started my channel 3 years ago, honestly, I did not think at all that I would be monetized on YouTube, let alone make $500 plus a month on it and helping me pay for rent and car payments, insurance, cell phone, you know, all of those bills that as an adult you acquire over time. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. And YouTube has really helped me create all these different avenues from different companies that I've worked with, the discounts that I've gotten from car companies giving me good deals on parts and stuff like that, to promote them on my YouTube channel, to just give them a little shout out on Instagram, things like that. And honestly, guys, this has been a huge opportunity for me. So hopefully you like this video. Hopefully I was at least transparent enough for you guys to see some of my analytics. Again, I wasn't going to show everything because I feel like there's no point. I'm not this huge YouTube channel that I'm making thousands of dollars a month. Just a little chump change compared to the big guys, but you can be this too. I'm just a normal guy living a normal life. You guys can do something similar like I'm doing right now. So hopefully you guys enjoy. So please like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.